Hi, this is Steve from SewingGold.com. This is our Speedway SW1341. This machine is a copy of the Juki LS1341. This is in our Space Saver table. We've made a little modification to this Space Saver table because the 1341 line, just like the Juki, this Speedway has a knee lift. It does not have a foot lift. So we do not have to put the extra bar on here that we would be using for the actual the foot lift, because it has a knee lift right here. So we're just putting the bar on the bottom, and we're not putting the second bar on. And also we have moved the motor. So with this setup, we're able to put the motor in a good position where we don't have another bar controlling the lever on the motor here. So it's much easier for this to engage and spring back up. We don't have to have the extra bar. I'll send some pictures if you would want to see what the other setup looks like, but basically there would be a bar hooked up here all the way to the other side, and that bar would be another system where there'd be another pitman rod. This is a pitman rod or extension rod. There'd be another extension rod on there, and then going to the motor, and instead of the motor would be mounted here instead of here. So we've got it mounted here. Much easier to control the motor. We don't need that extra bar. So those holes will be there. We're not going to have any fabric over here. These holes will not be here, but these will. These holes are for a pedestal. So these holes are for a different stand. We also have a pedestal stand, which is a little more difficult to assemble. But this is our Space Saver stand. When you get the Space Saver table, you will not see these 4 holes. But you will see these if we drill the motor over here. Now, that's up to you. We could always send you one, and you could put the motor here if those holes are going to bother you. We could also probably cover these holes up with some metal, probably the same type of bolts we have here, and we could cut them off. So we can put them in the holes, just so you don't see the holes exactly. You'll just see some metal sticking out. That being said, like I said, this is a lot easier. The lever on the motor is a lot easier with this system because it's just going down directly to the pedal and up to the motor instead of having a whole nother rod, which, like I said, I have a picture I could always send out. So if you have any questions, just leave the comments below. My name is Steve from SewingGold.com, and this is the Speedway SW1341 in a Space Saver table. Thank you.